Hello everyone! Magandang umaga po. So, today I will try to make a vlog Taglish, like Tagalog and English, because I've noticed that I'm having a lot of viewers now in Philippines. So, I want them also to relate on my life here in Kenya, Africa. So, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pinas, or kung nasan man po kayo, mga kabayan, mga kababayan. So, sa mga bagong viewers ko po, ako po si Mona, nakatira po ako ngayon sa Kenya, Africa. So, today guys, I'm going to take you to the market. There's a small market here. May maliit na palengke po dito. So, pupunta ako doon. Check ko kung meron silang maliit na tilapia. Favorite ko kasi yung maliit na tilapia. So, I'm going to check if they have a small tilapia, the small fish. It's my favorite. So, come with me guys. I need to look for boda-boda. Maghahanap ako ng motorcycle papunta. 100 yung pamasahe papunta doon. Habari. So, the fare is 100. Pod! So, ayan na guys. Oh, may huminto na dyan. This piki-piki is waiting for me. Habari. There's some students there. Going now. So guys, we're in the market now. Sa market na tayo. Ayan.
Screen protector tunakuuzia kwa bei nafuu. Karibia customer tuweze kuwekea kwa bei nafuu.
Kamatis at patatas. Sibuyas. The market here is very simple. Let me go inside. Nakatingin yung mga tao sa akin, my God. Yung asawa ko, believe na believe sa akin kasi kaya ko nang mag-market mag-isa. You know, my husband is very proud of me because I can go to the market alone.
Kwa wale wanafunzi ambao pia ndio kwamba skuli mingi kabisa zingependa watoto waende na school gumboot za watoto kwenda nazo kushiriki gumboot. Siko hapa tumeleta gumboot nzuri kabisa ambazo zinatoka pia kwa bei chini sana tena zaidi. Ndio hiyo Moi Trading Center kama Port Victoria. Kumbuka kwamba Moi Trading Center hivi sasa hapa kwa country hasa anasema hapa Kidalali, hili ndio kuvuma zaidi tena sana, ambapo nimekueleza kwamba ukiingia ndani ya Moist Training Center kila kitu kiko sawa, kiko fair zaidi. Mimi wale wanafunzi ambao pia wanakwenda kutumia
ito yung kailangan sa bahay. Pang-ipit, pegs. Kabari. How much? 4 at 5. Four at 4 pieces daw is 5 shillings. My mom-in-law doesn't have these things, so I want to buy for her. So 15, 20, 25. Ayan, may nabili na kasi ako, so this is okay.
Karibu na KCB Bank ambapo wewe kama mwanafunzi ukitembea na fedha jikoni, unaenda ndani ya Moist Training Center, unaweza kufanya nini? Unaweza kulipa karafuu kupitia Moist Training Center kupitia KCB
So ganito lang po yung market dito. Hindi ko alam Samaki. So, punta tayo ngayon sa bentahan ng mga isda. Let's go to the fish market. We have small. You see, this is what I'm looking. The small ones. Kabari. This one. How much is this one?
200.
Oh. You see guys, may tilapia dito. Wala masyadong klase ng isda dito. They don't have a lot of different type of fish. There is some fish here. Very big. Hindi, parang hito siya guys. Hindi parang hito pala yan. Hito yung ano, yung dalawa. So guys, I bought this fish for 300. So 300 po dito sa Pinas is 150. So ito lahat siya 150 lang po. Ayan, dadalhin ko siya sa Busia. I'm going to take this to Busia because in Busia they don't have this small fish, only the big ones. So guys, pauwi na ako. Yun lang yung ano ko dito sa Jack dito. Pero bilhan ko na rin kaya sila ng kamatis. Shilling gabi. 50 Kenyan shillings. 25 pesos. And this one? Yeah. Oh, okay. No, I still have. Just give me the for 100 Mia. So ito 100 siya. 50 pesos. Thank you.